Good afternoon, everybody. I would like to welcome everybody, every delegate sitting here. Myself, Amit Ranadev, and I'm working with Maharashtra Knowledge Corporation Limited in e-learning and e-content development frameworks and e-learning and e-content development program. Initially, I thought that huge people sitting in front of you make you a little bit nervous, but it is like same vice versa. Okay. The topic on which I am going to just give you a brief presentation is like strengthening capacities of educators. I could find it a little bit difficult to carry with my complete presentation, so I just added a small title in front of it, that is e-empowering educators. Since I've been attending last few sessions and I could find out that the way we are trying to promote e-learning, the concepts of e-learning, those all are revolving around 6 basic equations. Just to summarize those, precisely we have been saying even in last session that training of the trainers is a big problem, is a big concern that everybody is facing in India, across India and globally. Similarly, as we all know, in our subconscious mind as well, because every educational institute, every trainer, even starting from a small coaching institute, we are having ambitions to provide education to a very large and diverse population. That is our first aim, at affordable cost, with high quality, at fast pace, with widest of accessibility, and with mass personalization. So what are things we are discussing about how to propagate e-learning, all are concentrated on these 6 major focal areas. And even if we could refer to the Bloom's taxonomy and Bloom's concepts of various theories what he has given, he has been focusing on his problem of 2 sigma problem of Bloom. I could never understand what exactly it means, but what I could find out from Wikipedia is that mastery technique, whenever we are going from one-to-one education, it is more effective. I could understand that only. So, as we knew that technology is definitely a good option, technology is definitely a good medium to provide education, because as Mr. Amit have already included, that ICT helps us in providing a good enabler. So same thing I have been written here, that is, it's a mass scale enabler. Similarly, it's economizer, efficiency booster, because we could see that today, even in all of our stalls, there are a lot of interactive technologies available, content is available, a lot of e-content is available, a lot of learning management systems are available, and we are trying to percolate this in a good way really. So definitely IT is playing a good transformative role in providing education as well. Just as a single step forward, being a part of MKCL, it's a state government organization, and we have been providing ICT training till now we have been given education to more than 50 lakh learners. So as a single step, we have launched a pilot project. We call it as a e-BA program, that is a Bachelor of E-Education. Fortunately, what we could get out of it is, fortunately the teachers as well as the learners, both are teachers. And we are simply using all of our technologies for training as well as for learning process. For teaching and learning, we are using IT and ICT tools. This is basically a consortium formed by 8 institutes, and it has been right now in process with YCMOU, it's an open university, and we are launching this BA program. It is already running, some pilot is already going on. So I will just quickly brief you that what new processes, how new tools and devices have been included. Considering what all things we taught in typical BA scenarios, new processes what we involved are digitization, virtualization, then global standards, wiki processes, social networking. Similarly, we are trying to introduce new tools and devices, that is blogs, websites, content development tools, learning management systems, and even the teachers who are literally creating the content. They collaborate online, sitting wherever they are. They collaborate on an online platform, they integrate the content, they create their own content and produce it for learners. So that is how we are trying to propagate this. Basically, the focus is on perform type rather than on just informative content. It has been presented in a self-study mode with performance-based, scenario-based, The sessions are conducted on a total online mode, that is distributed classrooms. We are focusing on online educational resources which are available. Even if we could see that MIT Boston have created a huge repository which has SCORM compliant content on MIT Boston sites. Those content is free to download. We have made our LCMS freely available, so as any faculty who can download their content, port their content in our framework and start using it. We are trying to propagate group learning concepts, group learning. The basic focus of this B.Ed program is the learning design in a way that we need to identify various roles and competencies of the teachers, then identification of learning outcomes. Whatever content has been created, has been presented, all are made in the form of learning outcomes, as well as lots and lots of scenarios. That how to nurture a e-culture in a class means complete course syllabus has been designed in such a way that teachers as well as the learners get a complete throughput, complete atmosphere in which only e-learning has been involved and only the technology has been used. We are just focusing on what all faculties, learning facilitators, teachers at their own end, they keep on creating lots and lots of e-content, because everybody, whether we say it yes or no, but everybody at their own end keep on creating huge content. It is in the form of videos, PowerPoints, Word documents, what all content they are creating. We have simply provided them a platform where they can simply create their own, integrate their content and publish a SCORM package out of it. And they can literally bring their content on an international platform. So this is how we are trying to propagate this small pilot project known as eBEd program. Overall focus is to develop the roles of a learning facilitator. What we did is, we have identified 23 different roles of a teacher or a learning facilitator. That is, he can perform as a lifelong learner, scholar, researcher, domain expert. So in this way, there are 23 different roles have been identified, and every teacher who has been our learner, we are trying to let them focus on how to develop themselves so as to satisfy these 23 roles of a learning facilitator. While creating the content, while the learning process, various tools what we used are the simple authoring tools, content design tools, assignment management system, learning content management system, then portfolio management, learning repositories, open educational resources. That's all. So just want to share this case study with you. So as that's an initial step, and we are trying to empower teachers, educate teachers in using ICT tools. That's all. I think I am in time. Thank you.